Hi, this is Ram, and today I'm trying to buy Divi's Lab. Basically, this is a pharma stock, and yes, bought it. And the margin I had used is 1282 rupees, 1282, and basically this stock is quite volatile today. As you can see, the price action it's highly volatile. And here itself, I got more than 0.5 or 0.6% of profit, but always I used to expect 1%, and quite sure I'll be getting it today. Yeah, this is the chart basically. Huge gap down happened, and there is a pullover because it is trying to close the gap. And basically pharma stocks also moving quite in a good way today. Let us wait and see. So here I guess I need to close the position. Yes, it's 223 rupees is the profit, 223 rupees. So let me review my today's trading session. And I entered in a Divi's Lab at the price of 2203 rupees at around 934, and I came out at the price of 2225, that is 2225 rupees at around 947. It was like a quick trade. Only 12 minutes I had 12 to 13 minutes I spent for my today's trade. So let me tell you why I had selected this stock for my today's trading. So first of all, I have three charts here. One is Nifty 50, the other is Nifty Pharma, and the third is Divi's Lab. So here you can see in Nifty 50 there is a clear gap up, and it is quite bullish also today. And in Nifty Pharma you can see we cannot see any gap up. This is the first candle of today's chart, 5 minutes chart. And, but from the opening it is a bit bullish. Comparing to Nifty 50 chart, you can see it has a huge movement in the beginning of the day. So here in Divi's Lab also, it got a huge gap down, which was around 6% of gap down, because this is the opening price. 2100 is the opening price of the day. So here it is actually. Here it had opened. Yesterday's closing price was here. So around more than 5.5 or around 6% of gap down happened, and it was moving along with the pharma index. As you can see, this is kind of a similar movement, and I was quite sure that it will have a quick movement at least for some time by seeing the chart and the price movement. And it is quite a high volatile stock today. Up to around 10 o'clock, it was around 950, it was highly volatile. As you can see here, this particular candlestick, you can see it was 2170 rupees is the opening price of this particular candle, and the closing price is 2200. So which means that 30 points, which means more than 1 or 1.25% is the movement in this particular candle only. So I had exactly entered in the closure of this candle, as this is This candle is breaking this first candlestick, the open candlestick, and here pharma is also giving a clear sign that it will be somewhat bullish. So I entered here at 2203, and then there is a small pause for around 10 minutes, and again it got a good moment, and at this point I came out 2225 as the exit point. So after that you can see there is it is not having a considerable movement here, and it gone in range mode also. As you can see here, there is not much movement actually, and you can see this pharma also after that it didn't move in a good way. So now let me calculate the actual profit I got from my trade today, considering the margin benefit. First of all, let me calculate the actual profit I got from the trade. 2203 is my entry price, and 2225 as my exit price. So 22 points is the actual profit. In percentage, if you calculate 2203, which is around 1%, 0.998 is basically 1% of profit I got from the trading. And considering the margin benefit, let me calculate the actual margin benefit what I got from the broker. 22030 is the overall bought quantity. So I had used around 1282 rupees only from my account. So 17 times. Basically I got a margin of 17 times from the broker. So the actual profit is 17 into the actual points what I got as a profit, which is around 1%. So total 17% is the profit I got from my today's trade. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.